A very good morning, all of you. So, today we'll start a new topic, that is your subtraction with borrowing, means with carrying. Until we are solved this subtraction without carrying, simple subtraction, but that is not simple subtraction. So, one by one, we will solve today 4 questions only. Now, come here. This subtraction is here. If you see, then 1 here 5, upper side 1, downside 5. So smaller number minus bigger number, how you do? That is not possible. That's why you can say that is considered 11. Okay, that is considered 11. But how 11 come? If you take carry from this 3, that means 11 if we consider. Then 11 minus 5, how many? 6. 11 minus 5, 6. Now 11 means you have to consider carry take from 3. So 3 minus 1, how many? 2 is there. Okay, that you have to write down here. How many? 2 is there. Remaining 2. Now 2 minus 6, that is also not possible. That's why you have to consider 2 as a 12. 2 as a 12. Okay, now 12 minus 6 you can do easily. 12 minus 2, 12 minus 6, how many? 6. Now this 12 again you have to taken from carry here 1. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, how many? 1 minus 1, 0. So you have to write down here remaining 0. Now again 0 minus 7, that is not possible. That's why we have to consider 0 as a 10. 0 as a 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Again you have to write down here 10. Okay, जो carry ले रहे हो ऊपर लिख दो. Now this carry take from here. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, how many? 3 is there. And 3 minus 3 you can do easily. And 3 minus 3, how many? 0. But 0 we can't write left hand side. So that is your answer, 366. I hope all of you understand. If not understand, then again replay, you can easily understand. Now we will do 4 questions. Then after that your again same question. 7 minus 8, that is not possible. That's why you will consider this is 17. This is 17. So write down here 17. 17 minus 8, that is your 9. But 17, how you write? You have to take carry from 7. Okay, 17 you written, that is how many carry you taken? 1 only. That's why. So 7 minus 1, that is your 6. So write down here. 6 minus 8, that is not possible. That's why 6 we have to consider like 16. But 16 how write? Carry from 7. Okay. Now 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, that is your 8. Now 16, so 7 minus 1, that is your 6 again. But 6 minus 8, that is not possible. That's why you have to take carry from 7. So how many? 16. Now 16 minus 8, that is again 8. So if you take carry from 7, then remaining how many? 7 minus 1, that is your 6. Now 6 minus 1, that is possible. Yes, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So your answer is 5889. Got it? Next question. That is similar question. All the questions are similar. So last question, that is your 4th. Now you have to understand very clearly. So this is your question number 3. 3 minus 6, that is not possible. That's why you will take 13. But 13 how? Carry from 4. Always you have to take carry only 1. So 13 minus 6, that is your 7. So 4 you have to take carry from 4. That's why you will take here. You will write down 4 minus 1, that is your 3. Now 3 minus 5, that is not possible. That's why you will write down like 13. Take carry from 6. Okay. So 13 minus 15. Sorry, 13 minus 5, that is your 8. Now 6 minus 1, that is your 5. Again 5 is not subtract from 7 is not subtract from 5, that's why take 15. 15 minus 7, 15 minus 7 how many? 15 minus 7, 8. Now 5 minus again 1, 4. 4 minus 2, that is your 2. That is your answer. Okay, these all the things are carries, so you have to show like this. Okay, next question. 0 can't subtract. 3 is not subtract from 0, that's why you take 10. That's why you'll take 10. Okay, now 10 minus 3, that is your 7. You will take from 0, but this is not 0, you can write. This is considered like a 10. Now 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, how many 9 is there? How many 9 is there? So 9 minus 8 you can do. Yes, 9 minus 8, that is your 1. Now 1 complete. After that again you have to check here carry that is so 0, but you will take carry from 1, 10 taken na? That's why 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Again this 10 carry from 4, so 4 minus 1, that is your 3, and 3 minus 1, that is your 2. So this all the carry you have to show like this, so that is your answer. I hope all of you understand, and again replay this video, then your concept will clear now. Okay, this is your subtraction with borrowing. Thank you.